What's up guys, do you remember our video about EKSA H1 wireless headset? The manufacturer says that it is designed for truckers, but you can also use it in call centers, construction sites, and other crowded and noisy places. Now, there is a new version of the headset with a USB dongle. I think it is a very useful feature, because many personal computers don't have a built-in Bluetooth. You know the specifications of the new EKSA H1 Plus and the previous EKSA H1 are the same. But we need to test the microphone quality, sound quality and battery life of the new product. Please hit the like button to this video and let's begin the review. So on the box of the new headset, we can see its main upgrade. This is EKSA PC adapter. On the back of the box, there is some information about EKSA company, specifications list and package contents. Inside there is a very nice carry pouch, the headset, a replacement ear pad, USB Type-C charging cable and USB adapter, user manual. By the way, a replacement ear pad is not the same as the one already installed. This one is made of leather, or rather an artificial leather, while the replacement ear pad is made of fabric. I think the fabric version is more comfortable, because you will probably use the headset for a long time during calls, and it will not make you sweat. As you can see, unlike the other headphones, EKSA H1 Plus doesn't have the second ear pad. Instead, there is a silicone anti-sleep pad here. It allows you to hear the people around you. By the way, you can wear this headset on the left or right ears, because the microphone is rotatable. There's a call indicator on the mic, and you can use the microphone mute button. The new headset also has multi-function button, as well as volume up and down. There are many control functions on this headset, but we will talk about them a little later. The headset is charged through the USB Type-C port. Talking about headband, it has a silicone cover, while the base is metal. It looks very reliable. By the way, you can also extend the headband. Finally, let's talk about dimensions of EKSA H1 Plus. The size of the new headset is 170 by 190 by 75 mm. The weight is 157 grams. The size of the ear pad is 95 by 75 mm. You know, it looks like the ear cushions are patented, because they even have the same name. They are called EKSAtelecom CloudSoft ear cushions. As I said before, the main feature of the new EKSA H1 Plus headset is a PC adapter. You just need to insert a USB dongle to USB port of your computer and the headset is connected. You don't need to install any software or drivers. You can also use a Bluetooth connection to the smartphone, laptop or any other devices. There is a Bluetooth 5.0 support with up to 30 meters wireless range. By the way, a PC adapter has a wireless range of 10 meters. Talking about control functions of the new headset. First, you can press the multi-function button for 3 seconds. To turn it on/off, a single press on this button plays pause the music. If you want to call a voice assistant on smartphone, then triple press on the multi-function button. The volume up and down buttons can be used to increase or decrease the volume. But also you can use them to switch to the next or previous track. The headset has a mic mute button to turn on/off a microphone. You know, EKSA H1 Plus is a headset for calls, so it has call functions. In user manual, you can read about call handling, redial, and three-way calling. The new EKSA headset has another patented technology, and this is EKSAtelecom VoicePure ENC. The manufacturer says that the AI-powered environment's noise cancellation technology can be delayed up to 99% of ambient noise. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of EKSA H1 Plus wireless headset. I turned on a street noise simulation on my laptop to test the ENC technology. Do you hear the noise? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you understand, this headset is not for listening to music, but there is a 40mm driver and the volume level is very high, even with the second ear open. You can hear your interlocutor very well. I'm also very surprised by the battery life of the new EKSA headset. It has a battery capacity of 500 mAh, and the battery life on a single charge is 57 hours. However, this is a continuous music time. The talk time is about 30 hours. By the way, you can monitor the battery level of the headset through your smartphone, and that's very good. So the new EKSA H1 Plus is the same as the previous EKSA H1 headset, but it comes with USB dongle. Now you can use a wireless headset on a computer without Bluetooth support. That's very good. The other specs and features have not changed, but it is still a good headset for calls. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!